Hello, how are you? Day 7B, we're still talking about money and housing, but primarily on money. So, if you remember from last lesson, we talked about what's this called? Cash. It's paper money. And we also have coins. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so different types of coin, or we might say change. Someone can give, you can have change in your pocket, or someone can give you change for the money that you gave them. All right, this is primarily review, so you can watch it several times to make sure that you uh, have got everything in your head right. Okay, let's go. All right. Okay, what's the value? So we have different types of coinage or coins. We have the penny, and let me get my little pointer here. There we go. So this is called a penny, and remember it's 1 cent. And then we have the nickel, 5 cent. And we have the dime. The dime's a little bit confusing because it's worth more than the nickel or the penny because it is 10 cents, but it's smaller. So just have to remember that. Um, and then we have the quarter, and the quarter is 25 cents, which is a quarter or 1/4 of $1. So this quarter is a fourth of a dollar. And then the other stuff is pretty easy. You have different types of cash or paper money. You have $1, $5, $10, $20, and it goes up to $50 bills, $100 bills, and I think there are $1,000 bills. I've just not seen them. All right, let's do a little grammar practice. So he's asking how much is the chair? So you want to pay attention to is. Is for one. Notice there is no S. There is no S at the end of chair. It's only one. How much is the chair? And his friend's on the phone. He's angry. Maybe it's too much money. He says it is 48.50. $48.50. The thing to take note of is the it and is go together. It and is. It is. That's for one object, one thing. And those two go together. Now, this one's a little bit different. Remember, we have R, and we have an S on the end. How much are the chairs? See this? We've got two chairs, so more than one. It could be two, it could be five, it could be 10. You will say the same thing. How much are the chairs? And take note of the S on the end of chair, which means more than one. And his friend responds, they are $900. They are $900. So we're going to say they are, which goes along with R and S. Sorry about that, guys. Had somebody at the front door there. So just one more thing left is we have this is a little exercise you can do on your own. Let's do a couple together. I don't know if this will let me write on this or not. Maybe we can. All right. Let's do text. Maybe I'll put text here. Okay, so let's look at this. Let's do a couple of these together. We've got pennies, dimes, nickels, dimes. So I try to count the biggest ones first. So you've got how many dimes? You got one, two, three dimes. That's going to be 30 cents. And then we have 5, 10, 15. 30 plus 15 is 45. Plus 1 is going to be 46. So 46. So you're just going to add up the money and then you can put in the answers. Let's look at this one. We've got two dimes, or actually four dimes. So it's going to be 40 cents plus two nickels. 50 cents, right? And the last one, we have 5, 5, 5, and 1. It's going to be 16 cents. There you go. All right. So if you want to do more or practice more counting money, there's a worksheet here at this link below that you can go to and practice more if you so choose. And I recommend that. And that's it for today. Have a great day. Sorry about the doorbell. See you next time. Bye-bye.